Unlock the power of smart customer communication by building your own automated voice response, or AVR, system with Nexmo. Imagine effortlessly guiding your customers through options, providing instant answers, and routing calls to the right department, all without a human agent. That's the magic of an AVR. Our journey begins with designing your AVR's flow. Think about the questions your customers most commonly ask, and how you want to guide them. This involves mapping out decision trees and defining the options they'll hear over the phone. Next, we configure the interactive voice menus. This means defining the spoken prompts, like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, and associating each option with a specific action or destination. Crucially, we'll set up call routing. This ensures that when a customer makes a choice, their call is sent to the correct department, another number, or even triggers a specific automated response. Nexmo allows you to create automated responses for common queries, delivering information instantly and freeing up your team for more complex issues. This could be anything from business hours to order status updates. Once designed and configured, deploying your AVR with Nexmo is straightforward. You'll integrate your custom voice application into your existing phone numbers, making your intelligent voice system live and ready to serve. By leveraging Nexmo's advanced voice technology, you're not just building an AVR. You're investing in a more efficient customer service experience, reducing operational costs, and ultimately, driving business growth. Ready to transform your customer interactions? Explore the possibilities with Nexmo today.